How to see send friend request on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. And if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to cellular data as well. So as you check on the connection, here what you simply need to do is tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Now select on the gear icon that will lead you to settings and privacy. So let's tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, and as you tap on the settings and privacy, what you simply need to do is you can simply scroll down as there are different options over here. So you can simply scroll down and tap on the options over here. So here you can simply tap on activity log over here, and as you tap on activity log, it will lead us to a new page where you can simply see the option of connections. So tap on connections and tap on manage friends. So as you do that, you'll be able to see the list of things that you have done. So here you can see you have sent a friend request to a particular person and so on. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.